Welcome back, everyone. I hope you closed out another fantastic trading week. I know we had a good week over here. We're going to talk about our ROI for the week, so stick around. You're not going to want to miss that. We're going to talk about the market a little bit. I think you're going to like what I got for you. Now, if you're brand new to the channel, my name is Josiah and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. And if you hate making money, this is not the channel for you. Now, if you like making money, if you like learning about stocks, crypto, and investing, then make sure you're subscribed to the channel, hit that notification bell, and do me a favor, give me a thumbs up. If you want to get more information, if you want to have a chance to win some real cash as well as be able to bounce ideas off me and other like-minded people, make sure come over and join the Investors Jumpstart program. You're not going to want to miss out on that. It's top link below this video. Alright, let's get into it. Now, the banks had a good day. No doubt about it. JP Morgan closed up over 7.5% today, but the market did not like it. Now, why? Well, I touched on that this morning. I said that there's a good chance with the banks doing really well, the market's been hanging its hat on the fact that the Fed's going to have to pivot very soon. You know, they're already starting to price in, even though the Fed says they're not going to cut rates this year. The market's already pricing in 3 to 4 rate cuts this year, and I think they're hanging a lot of their hat on the fact that the banks was supposed to be in crisis, and yet we have the banks coming out and doing extraordinarily well, and we've seen the market sell off because of that. Now, where's this market going from here? I don't have a crystal ball. I will say there was indecision candles out there everywhere. The NASDAQ, the SPY. The market just could not make up its mind today. We run up, we got really close to testing those resistance levels, did not quite get there, but we run up, got close to them, and then we pulled back and we actually closed in the red. Let's see here, we end up with the SPY down by 0.24, right at 1/4%, NASDAQ down by 0.42, almost 0.5%, and the NASDAQ down by 0.35. I'm sorry, Dow Jones down by 0.42. So the Dow actually falling more than the rest of the market today, which is a little bit unusual, but the real thing that I'm sitting here watching and I'm a little blown away with, even though we got the market pulling back, we still have the VIX falling. The VIX all the way down to 1707. So the volatility is extraordinarily low right now. Whenever I see the VIX getting down this low, I always start to take it as a buy signal. Because when you have everyone out there being greedy, I want to be fearful. And when everyone else is fearful, that's when I want to be greedy. And right now, the VIX, the low volatility, tells me that everybody's piling in there. Everybody's getting greedy and trying to run this market up. And if that bubble bursts, this market's going to go the other way, and it's going to do it in a hurry, and I want to be prepared for that. So overall, we didn't do a lot of trading this week. I told you I was erring on the side of caution, but the plays that we picked, our Alibaba, our TQQQ, our SQQQ, all did extraordinarily well, and I'm super happy with that. So without any further ado, our ROI for the week ended up being 135.5%. Now, like I said, it wasn't on a ton of trades, but that's still a fantastic return, and overall, really happy with that. The only thing I'm not happy with at the moment, I called out in my Discord yesterday. I said I was going to take a little bit of a risk, buy some puts on Mara. I did that. I bought some puts on Mara, and it actually run up a little bit more today. I'm not in too bad a shape, but I am just a little bit down on them right now. About 15% down across the board on the ones that I bought. So, not loving it, but at the same time, not enough that I'm overly concerned. I bought them far enough out that I've got a little bit of time to see if we do start to get that breakdown on Bitcoin and see if this market starts to move down. Like I said, if we start breaking these resistance levels and moving higher, then I'm going to cut all my short positions and I'm going to play it long. But for now, I have to go with what my gut tells me, and I have to go with what I'm seeing out there in the economy. and it's just not an economy that makes me want to go out there and be betting a lot of money long right now. So I'm going to keep playing it the way I am. It's working out for me so far. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you're getting the notifications so that you can follow along on these plays and be making this kind of money as well. And if you don't want to, if you're, new to the market, get on here, paper trade. That's the beauty of Webull. I do love the Webull account. It's always the second link below my video. I keep Webull on here because I love their paper trading feature. That way, if you're brand new to the market, you can get on here, you can follow along and paper trade without actually having any of your money in there and start to see how this whole process works. So make sure, if you're not out there trading, if you've ever thought about investing, about getting into the stock market, the best advice I can give you is go out there, get yourself a brokerage account like Webull. It's the one I use, so it's what I'm going to recommend to you. Get on there, start paper trading, build you a watch list, and just start looking at it every day. 2 or 3 times a day, get on there, look at some of your favorite stocks that you want to keep an eye on, and start to learn how they move. Once you understand how a stock normally moves, then you can start to find that rhythm and start learning where to take profits, where to buy in, and start making this money for yourself. The stock market, the crypto markets, really is a money printing machine that we, the everyday people, are allowed to use. So why not go out there and use it? That's what I got for you today. Join me tomorrow. I'm going to make a little bit of a different video. I think you're going to enjoy it. And until then, be blessed, and remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.